also taking a hit. CNBC.com's Tanaya Macheel is here with me at Post 9 to discuss. And look, I'm always a little bit wary to offer my own explanations for what moves Bitcoin up or down. But obviously, we at one point we're $10,000 off the recent highs.
Yeah, definitely. I think this weakness that you're seeing today is a continuation of a lot of the activity you saw last week after Bitcoin hit its most recent all-time high. It's been notching higher and higher since the beginning of the year, really. So after Wednesday, when it hit that all-time high, you started seeing traders start to take some profits. That triggered a wave of long liquidations, over Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. A little break from the weekend, but again, just in the last 24 hours, you're seeing more than $140 million in long liquidations in Bitcoin. So, Bitcoin and stocks related to Bitcoin's performance have cut some of its losses today, but still a little bit under pressure.
It seems as if the story of the Bitcoin spot ETFs and the fact that they did attract a fair amount of money has had, I would argue, longer live than you might have expected. In other words, it's been behind the bull case for a while now. We did see some outflows I know people were focused on. I mean, I guess that just reflects the activity you're talking about.
Yeah, and that could be a number of things. The Grayscale Bitcoin ETF obviously has an exorbitantly high fee compared to a bunch of the newborn ETFs that we saw launch in January. I think a lot of traders would also say it takes a lot of investors a little bit of time to get accustomed to this. So,
right.
We've been saying, yes, these ETFs will give a lot of investors new access that they didn't have before, but still they need to kind of come around to the idea of, what that's going to mean for their portfolio and what they really want to do with their investments. Just because they have the access to the ETF doesn't mean everyone's going to be jumping in all at once.
We also did have, MicroStrategy, which is obviously one of the biggest leveraged Bitcoin plays. They raised more capital to buy more Bitcoin. I just wonder if that's one of those things where once it happens, they bought what they were going to buy in the short term, and the momentum reverses.
Yeah, that is a strategy that they've become known for and really leaned into. And even just last month, they said that they were going to pivot and kind of rebrand themselves as a Bitcoin development company. Look, this month has really been the theme of this month has been a rise to new highs for Bitcoin, followed by steep losses. Yeah. So MicroStrategy got praise on Wall Street just last week for its Bitcoin strategy. They said, this is something investors are becoming accustomed to, and it's going to pay off for MicroStrategy in the long term. But the setup for Bitcoin is still pretty strong, but you're going to see those steep losses,
for sure,
this pullback.
And MicroStrategy up 125% year to date, but 22% off its high. So it moves fast.
Yeah, absolutely.
Tanaya, great to see you. Thanks a lot.
Thanks for having me.